In manufacturing, many processes must be completed quickly and efficiently to take raw materials and turn them into finished goods. But the production process is far from perfect and raises many questions like, how do you ensure that all items complete each process properly? How do you gain transparency to track the exact steps of products through the production process? How do you reduce waste and increase efficiency? At Northern Apex, we help you control the intricate steps of the production process. We implement automation techniques by utilizing 1D and 2D barcodes, radio frequency identification, RFID, or a hybrid approach, and help you manage your material movement, improve inventory accuracy, and decrease cycle counting time, resulting in increased speed, efficiency, and most importantly, profitability. The Northern Apex Process Control System provides near real-time actionable data about your products and processes while improving your shipping accuracy too. Contact Northern Apex today to learn more and streamline your industrial processes.